Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, we've learned a ton about making green smoothies, the loading method, the ramp up and down, the ratio. Now it's finally time to make one. We're gonna make a Carolyne's green smoothie. And to do that, we have a cup of almond milk, a cup of kale, half of an orange peeled, half of a banana, a cup and a half of frozen mango, a little bit of honey, and some flaxseed. All right, before we make this thing, I gotta tell you, I'm not gonna be like some of those infomercials out there who say that a green smoothie like this every single day is going to be the cure to all your ailments. But you know what? It might. All right, let's make this thing. Do you remember the order? Liquids first. So we'll start with the almond milk, followed by soft or leafy greens, the kale. Next, soft, watery fruits like the orange and the banana. Then we'll add the hard stuff, frozen mango, and then the sweetener, honey. We'll secure the lid, start on variable speed 1, ramp it up to 10, and then high, run it for about 30 to 45 seconds. We'll turn it down, ramp it down to variable speed 1, and then off. Back to variable speed 10, down to 1, and then off. It got a little loud there, but once the vortex was created, I took the lid plug off and added flax seeds through the hole in the container. This made sure the seeds went directly down the center and into the blades and never touched the sides of the container. And this is really helpful because seeds can sometimes be sticky and they're kind of tough to get off the sides of the container. And just like that, we have Carolyne's green smoothie. All whole food ingredients, no added sugar, and we didn't even need to add ice. And I'm gonna try it, but this is one that kids will also love. So good. All right, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this wonderful green smoothie. But when you're ready, mark this unit complete, head on over to the next, and gather the ingredients to make Carolyne's green smoothie.
Hey guys, Shalva Gale with Life is No Yoke. If you hate my husband, his voice, and his face, but somehow still watch all of his videos, you should subscribe.
The least you could do.
Yeah. I mean, I have to be married to him. I'm subscribed.
That's a good one.